Guys, today welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do the unboxing of the lens that I've got, and it just came to me, so it's in that box, so let's open it. It's Canon 50mm new lens, kind of new, but it's not super new. I mean, it is on the market since some time, and I've got this kind. Canon 50mm 1.8 STM. It's made in Malaysia, and box looks like this. Hope it's the one that I wanted. Let's open it. Box opens like so, and here we have some small documents about warranty. It's European warranty, as I've got it here in Europe, as I know. Here's lens instructions, and then here is the lens. It comes in something like this and something like this. Let's take it out. Now it's in another plastic thing. So here is the lens. It looks like this. Canon EF lens 50mm STM. This improved version of the old 50 nifty 50, and this one is better, they say, because it has improved autofocus system, and it's a different little bit build. It has a smaller minimal distance. It has the smaller distance, minimal distance that you can shoot from, and this one came with newer lens cap, which is improved from older one, and here it looks like this. Yeah, and here looks like this. I can try it on. One has, as you can see, has a better here mount, which is metal one. So the construction of this lens is improved than older version. So I put it on my camera. I will do some sample images and insert it right here, so you can see how it performs. Okay, so that's the first impression and the unboxing of my new very cheap lens, and I got it for $100 and 110. Okay, so I put it on my camera and do a few sample images, and this is image with my new lens, so I am using it right now. As you can see, the focusing is quite quiet, and it can focus on this, then on this, then on more far away building, then on the other building. This is the focusing. and let's do some sample images. So thank you for watching, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next videos. Bye.